All right, let's see if we can fix this. So somehow I'm struggling with adding that to both sides and getting a plus. But I can factor out and then I'll have a plus in there. Now, instead of creating a quotient, I'm actually going to use the product rule. So I'm going to stop working on it right now. And now I'm going to actually take the derivative. So over here, of course, I have a product. So I have to do first times derivative of the second, but that'll just be 3, plus second times derivative of the first, which will be 1 over y times y prime, equals 1 over x. Of course, I want to get y prime by itself, so I'll write that term first, and I'll subtract the first term, and then I'll divide by 1 plus 3x, and at the same time I'll multiply by y, and we'll see what this crazy mess gives us. So it looks like if I distribute y, that's what I have. And then if I don't want the fraction in the fraction, of course I can get rid of it by multiplying by x over x. So on top, I'll have y minus 3x natural log of y over x times 1 plus 3x. And even though normally I'm supposed to substitute back in for y, that's going to be as much as I'm going to be able to do with it because I have 2 different versions of y in this, and I'm not going to be able to get y by itself. So that problem was a little ugly. So let's look at a nicer problem. So I want to take the derivative of this, and of course it's a quotient rule. So I have to do low d high. Now, since it's an exponential base, I'll take natural log of the base times the whole thing times the derivative of the power. And this was all d high. And so then I have to do plus high d low all over low squared. And notice I have a 3 to the 2t in both terms at the top. I'll make this some brackets. I'll make me some brackets. And so I have a 2, a t, a natural log of 3, I rhymed it, and then plus 1 all over t squared. Did you catch the one teeny tiny mistake? Not so teeny tiny. It's low d high minus, that should be a minus, high d low. Torres, I am so tired, you guys, right now. I'm struggling staying awake. Okay, correct answer. Final answer, Regis. My final answer.